electronic faucets, flush valves and shower controls are installed in a very wide range of bathroom interiors. Stern products are delivered with the optimal settings. However, when necessary, changing the sensor settings can be easily done using the remote control. To use the remote control properly, it is imperative to follow the next directions in the operation of every function. First, make sure you are holding the remote control straight in front of the sensor eye in a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. Press the function of the feature you wish to adjust. To indicate that the action has been detected by the sensor and that it is possible to proceed with the adjustment, the sensor will start blinking continuously. The sensor is now in adjusting mode.